Building bridges, brick by brick. I'm Hewie Poplock. We're going to explore how LEGO can become a powerful tool for bonding between grandparents and grandchildren, while also sparking creativity and learning. The tech part is coming a bit later in the presentation. LEGO is not just a toy. It's a hands-on learning tool with timeless appeal. Its ability to engage both young and old makes it the perfect intergenerational activity. Think of LEGO bricks as building blocks for the imagination. From castles to creatures, they allow endless creativity and tactile engagement. Duplo is the safe, larger brick version for younger children, great for little hands still developing coordination. Children build more than just structures. They develop motor skills, critical thinking, and social emotional intelligence. LEGO play encourages storytelling, open-ended problem solving, and expression, key aspects of emotional and intellectual development. Grasping and assembling bricks improves coordination, while figuring out structures builds cognitive flexibility. Group LEGO play teaches cooperation, turn-taking, and empathy, great for both grandkids and grandparents. Kids talk about what they're building, growing vocabulary and communication skills naturally through play. LEGO isn't just for the grandkids. It's a fantastic way for grandparents to engage with their grandchildren and participate actively in playtime. It allows you to step into your grandchild's world, ask questions about their creations, and offer gentle guidance. Playing LEGO can stimulate memory, boost brain activity, and create meaningful shared experiences with grandkids. Brickit scans your LEGO pile and suggests what you can build. Great for brainstorming and discovering hidden potential in your bricks. The Brick app interface demonstrating its ability to scan a pile of LEGO bricks and suggest new builds. This is what I saw that made me want to share this with you. The Brickit app looks at and identifies every brick it sees and then gives suggestions and instructions for items that can be built with the pieces you have. Let's take a look. It's time to take the pieces out of the box, and then it finds each of the pieces, identifies them, and has tons of information. Then it will come up with some possibilities of what you can build with what you see, and it gives instructions. Find the pieces you need in seconds. It'll identify where they are. Join the builders. Here are some examples. Teach your kids bricks how tricks with Brickit. It's available in the App Store and in Google Play, so it works on Android and the iPhone. Now you might ask, how can I keep up with all these LEGO pieces and help my grandchildren play even better? Perhaps you have a dusty bin of LEGO bricks, or your grandchildren's collection seems like an overwhelming mountain of pieces. You might even be missing instructions for old sets. This is where the modern technology comes in and saves the day. Two fantastic apps, Brickit and Pileometer, can transform how you and your grandchildren interact with LEGO. Now, what you have is a massive collection, or you want to keep track of every single LEGO brick? Well, that's where Pileometer comes in. Developed by the same team as Brickit, Pileometer is designated and designed to help you organize and keep a detailed inventory of your LEGO collection. Think of it as a tidy drawer for your thoughts. It scans your brick collection, catalogs what you have, and suggests large-scale projects. For instance, you take a photo of your LEGO box, and the app sorts everything virtually, showing you how many bricks of each type that you own. Then it generates building ideas based on that, like a detailed plan for a spaceship or a cityscape. Visually, the app has a clean interface with colorful icons and lists, making it easy to navigate. It's like having a personal organizer who not only tidies up your LEGO, but also sparks your imagination with step-by-step guides. Pileometer helps track all of your bricks and plan bigger projects. Ideal for organized play and ambitious builds. Here's what the screens look like in Pileometer. And you can separate them, put them in bags, and then identify and keep track of all of that in the app itself. Start with Brickit to inspire, then use Pileometer for planning. Assign roles and work as a team, learning together, you and the grandkids. Brickit is quick and creative. Pileometer is methodical and detailed. Both are tools to make LEGO even more rewarding. Here is a comparison of the apps and their benefits using the primary function, piece recognition, building guidance, use care for grandparents, and enhance interaction and complexity level. Let's look at just the use case for grandparents. Brickit sparks new ideas, makes building easier, and encourages creativity. And Pileometer organizes large collections, helps plan ambitious projects, and teaches organizational skills. So don't worry if you're not tech savvy. Start simple, laugh through mistakes, and remember, play is supposed to be fun. Here are some quick answers to common questions grandparents might have. Duplo is best for ages 1 through 5. LEGO builds fine motor skills. Apps like Brickit and Pileometer are senior-friendly and easy to learn. Brickit excels at suggesting new builds from a pile of bricks and highlighting pieces within that pile. Pileometer is more suited for creating a precise digital inventory of your entire collection, which can help in tracking and locating specific pieces over time. Engaging in LEGO play with grandchildren offers cognitive benefits for grandparents, such as exercising creativity and cognitive skills, and helps strengthen intergenerational bonds by creating shared experiences and lasting memories. Whether stacking bricks or scanning them with an app, LEGO is about building connections that last a lifetime. Building bridges brick by brick, I'm Hewie Poplock.